supposed to know that I'm the greatest. Fucking with your nigga and he screaming I'm amazing. In my hood, bitch, yeah, you know that I'm a star. The bitches that I'm with, yeah, we always set it off. Different from you, my ducks, I always keep it G. Your bitches is some kitty cats and Rika is a beast. Yeah, they hit me up cause I am the shit. I'm from the east side and I represent that shit cause I'm the baddest. And I know you hate it, but I'm loving it. Keep hating on me and I just be so feeling myself. Ooh, and I just be so feeling myself. Yeah. Rika Badass, Eastside Trefo, bitch.